Do you ever feel like you're just drowning, in daily tasks, information overload, just really struggling to work smarter, not harder? Your to-do list just keeps getting longer.
Oh, absolutely. It happens to everyone, right?
Right.
And for those moments, we're diving deep into Copilot today. Think of it like your AI sidekick.
An AI sidekick.
Yeah, an intelligent partner, basically,
Yeah.
designed to help cut through all that noise and make everyday productivity, well, easier, more intuitive. So this deep dive, we've pulled together a bunch of insights, and we're going to unpack 5 practical hacks, real game changers for your routine.
And the great thing is Copilot isn't some separate thing you have to hunt down. It's baked right into Windows, right? And there's an app too.
Exactly. Integrated
Yeah.
and, available as an app. So if
Yeah.
you need help refining writing or just talking through an idea,
Yeah.
maybe even creating images, it's right there.
Ready to go. Okay, let's kick off. Hack number 1, because information overload, my inbox especially, it's a challenge. So what's the first way Copilot helps get a handle on it?
Right. So that's where the Smart Summarizer comes in. Hack number 1. And it's more than just shortening things. It really changes how you deal with, loads of information.
Mhm.
Imagine like a huge pile of emails or a really long document. You just ask Copilot, summarize this email thread for me and list the key action items.
Ah, okay. So it doesn't just shorten it, it actually pulls out the important stuff, the things you need to do.
Precisely. Actionable intelligence. That's the key. Think about, say, an email chain about a cybersecurity webinar. It might mention, 95% of breaches are human error, AI phishing is increasing. Copilot pulls that out. It highlights the main points, lists the actions. So you're not spending ages reading, you're understanding fast.
That makes sense. It shifts you from just reading to actually deciding what's next.
Exactly, from information processor to strategic decision maker.
Okay, inbox tamed, maybe. What about the dreaded blank page? When you have to write something, can Copilot really help with drafting? That feels more creative, personal.
Yeah, it can. And it's less about writing for you and more about getting you started, overcoming that inertia. That brings us to hack hashtag 2, the instant draft writer. Say you need to email your team about a deadline, you could prompt it, draft a professional email, make the tone firm but encouraging.
And it gives you a starting point.
A really solid one. It might acknowledge their hard work, clearly state the deadline, remind them about communication. You get a structure, something to react to, instead of just, that blinking cursor. It lets you focus on refining, not just starting.
Okay, I like that. And once you've drafted something, maybe you need to share it internationally. Communication across languages can be tricky. That leads us to hack hashtag 3.
It does, the quick translator. This makes global communication, honestly, so much easier. It translates text instantly from documents, web pages, whatever you select in Windows. No need to copy-paste into another app.
Right, within Windows.
Yep. You just ask it, translate this email into French, for instance. And boom, it'll convert the whole thing, like that cybersecurity invite we mentioned, seamlessly. It just removes that friction.
That's incredibly useful. Okay, so we've summarized, drafted, translated. What about new ideas? Sometimes you just get stuck, right? In a creative rut. Can Copilot be like a brainstorming buddy?
Definitely. And that's hack hashtag 4, the ultimate brainstorming partner. It's great for pushing past your usual thinking, offering, fresh perspectives. You could ask it, give me 5 creative ideas for a remote team building activity.
And it comes up with actual suggestions.
Yeah, fun ones like maybe whose desk is it anyway, or a virtual art jam. Things that spark connection, things you might not have thought of yourself. It helps unlock different creative paths.
Interesting. Okay, so it helps generate ideas, but what if the problem is the opposite? Like you have too much information, specifically data, spreadsheets.
Ah, yes. Mountains of data. That takes us nicely to our final hack, number 5, the data analyst on demand. Copilot can take a complex spreadsheet and just make sense of it, give you clear insights.
How does it work? You just upload a file.
Exactly. Upload the file and prompt it something like, analyze this spreadsheet and give me the essential takeaways. It can summarize the data, maybe spot trends, flag anomalies. For instance, summarizing a list of, say, 10 events for September 2025, detailing formats in person, online, and locations like Cape Town or Johannesburg.
So it finds the story in the numbers, basically. It lets you see the bigger picture.
You got it. Seeing the forest, not just the trees in that spreadsheet.
Okay, these 5 hacks, summarizing, drafting, translating, brainstorming, analyzing data, they sound incredibly powerful, almost too powerful. How do we make sure we're still, in charge?
That is such a crucial point. And the sources are very clear on this. Copilot is powerful, yes, but it's explicitly your Partner, not your pilot.
Partner, not pilot. I like that. So what does that mean practically for our own thinking?
It means you always need to review and edit its output, always. Check it for accuracy, make sure it aligns with what you actually want with your goals. Human judgment is essential. One source even gave this fascinating example where a Copilot might write a poem, but include a deliberate, subtle mistake.
Really? Like a little test?
Sort of, yeah, like a nudge, a reminder that you are still the one responsible. Your critical thinking, your oversight, indispensable.
Okay, that's a really important takeaway. So we've covered 5 big ways Copilot helps you work smarter: summarizing, drafting, translating, brainstorming, and analyzing data.
And by consciously integrating these capabilities, these hacks, you really can save significant time, boost your productivity starting today.
So as you, our listeners, start exploring these tools, here's something to think about, a final provocative thought. Beyond these 5 hacks we talked about today, what unique, maybe unexpected ways could you use an AI sidekick like Copilot to completely redefine how you approach your own daily work?